Hello dear students, welcome to Axiometricos. This video is the part of the solution series for IIT JAM 2014. So we are here with this problem 15 of your paper. This problem is from the topic ODE, so let us have a look. So what is given to us that the equation of the curve which passes through this point and have this slope at each point of xy with x not equal to 0. So what you have to find out, you have to find out the curve, okay, which has this as the slope, right? So what we should begin with, we should begin with just the basic definition of the slope, that it's given to you that dy by dx is what? Is sine x over x square minus 2y by x. It's given to you, okay? So I am just writing dy by dx to represent the slope. It's given to you that slope is given by this formula at each point xy, okay? Now what you can rearrange this equation like this: 2 by x dot y is equal to sine x by x square, right? Now what is this equation? This equation is called linear differential equation, and for a linear differential equation you already know how to find the solution. All right, so now let us see how we can find out solution for a linear differential equation. Okay, so this is our linear differential equation. See, so a differential equation of this type, dy by dx plus pxy is equal to qx, is known as linear differential equation. And for a linear differential equation we have a direct result in order to write a solution. So what we can do here, we can write solution directly. So it will be 2 by x dx is equal to integration of qx. So what is your qx? It's sine x by x square, right? E to the power 2 by x dx. Now what is the integration of 2 by x? It's log 2 log x, right? So what you will get? E to the power 2 log x is equal to sine x by x square dot 2 log x, right? Now what you can do, you can take 2 to here and then just apply the property that e to the power log x is equal to x. So by using that thing, what you can do, you can write this as x square and this as sine x. What I am using here, I am using this thing that e to the power log of fx is fx. So this is what I am using. This is a result, okay, not a result, actually it's a basic thing. So now what you will get, integration of sine x is what? Minus cos x, right? Minus cos x plus some constant c. Now your point is passing through, your curve is passing through, sorry, pi by 2 comma 1. So at pi by 2 comma 1, what you will get? You will get 0 plus c, right? So you will get c, the value of c you will get pi by 2. What I am doing here, I am just putting pi by 2 in place of x, and in place of y I am putting 1. So I think I should get pi square by 4. Okay, this is what I should get, pi square by 4. Okay, I'm sorry for that. So it will be pi square by 4, and you will get 0 here and c, that therefore c will be pi square by 4. That means what will be your solution? Your solution will be y dot x square is equal to minus cos x plus pi square by 4. So it was a very easy question, right? Okay, so y dot x square, let us see which solution will match. So option B is matching. All right, so B is exactly same as our answer, so that means B is a correct one. So B is correct, D is incorrect, C is incorrect and A is incorrect, right? So thank you.